Good morning, it is 8:24 and today I'm going to take you in a day of my life. Okay, so I just brushed my hair and now we're going to go do skincare and eat breakfast. Okay, so it is 10:15 and I watched TikTok and ate breakfast and now I have to clean my room. So my nail broke off, so we're fixing that. But then I will clean my room. Okay, so I got my clothes and pretty much if it's dirty, it goes in the laundry basket. If it's clean, it gets hung up. Okay, so I put what's clean on hangers and folded other things, and now I'm going to go take care of that. Okay, so I'm going to clean my vanity now. It's 12:10 and I cleaned up my vanity and I'm going to go eat lunch. Okay, so it is 1:45 and I've just been watching TikTok and now I'm going to make my bed. Okay, so I cleaned up this area and now I'm going to clean up that area. Okay, so my room's pretty much clean and now I'm gonna go do dance stuff. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing to do ballet. so this is the stretching outfit, and I'm gonna go stretch. Okay, so I just chilled after stretching and just kind of hung out, watched TV, ate dinner, and now I'm just gonna edit this video. But thank you so much for watching.